might just stand a chance.
I can teach you Crucio, or I can cast it on you. I'm ready. Crucio!
You've made your choice.
Be imprisoned again.
I hear you've been busy making yourself the Empire's most wanted.
Ashley Graham, are you in here?
Just let me go.
Listen. I'm hearing the President's orders and...
What is that? What do we do?
The last lambs are escaping.
We need to go! I'm gonna get you home safe.
You can stop right there.
Ada? Who are you? What are you doing here?
My faithful disciple will show her the path.
Ashley! Baker.